How to handle tolls in Zipcar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see in the official article from Zipcar, it's written, yes, members are responsible for paying all toll charges. While we don't charge you extra fees, you will be responsible for any and all tolls incurred during your trip. Also, it may take a few weeks for Zipcar to receive the tolls from the municipality or local authority. Toll fees will appear in the list of charges for the associated trip and will be processed as a separate charge. And also avoid transporter lanes that require a personal device. And this is how to handle tolls in Zipcar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.